starting through Ivan. I'm starting through Ivan. Now,
yeah, and I think Ghana will understand why I maybe a Chemna we were all over the place just trying to let people know the Akoto Ghana. You see, Scholarship Secretariat a creation of Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah ne create
sure.
Because of economic disparity at the time and nipa no omo ana bibi wo munsam and omutimi ko school. So a two objective and order setting up the Scholarship Secretariat. One say nipa omunim ade bi ha nitika but efie so such people no oman ne betimi aso mumu apage omo ama omonso anya nimdia edababo oman no. That was the first objective. The second objective is say yes nipa no betimi ababi ofiri ba na ebi hoye but there are certain new areas bi emerge Ghana for ye lack in terms of personnel no nasefo. So yeah, so for instance, say be artificial intelligence abai na Ghana yahu area bia obi I was a nipa way in competing and for even though nipa ne bia background no free but sika kakra wo there but onye na dwen say okusia artificial intelligence but Ghana ne here sa de no yes sponsor no because sa we no ye ni bi wa ha na onkonkosua na onfamra. So these are the two main objectives ya de setting up the Scholarship Secretariat ema yaba beduru ba bia ene yaba beduru but we had this particular period in question now. Clearly, you could see, say, a man for turning the place into a crime scene, a criminal syndicate. Now, a more operative, say, yeah, the Scholarship Secretariat in the Bay idea, yeah, the Pesica, because documents ya okay, the room clearly say, yet midterm scholarship. Nedia Makwabra, say, Kwaku, UK, Nakusia, dear, course now, Kwakwa, no, ye be Legon, ye be Gyamfi, ye will be baby, cause some of the courses now we read, you know, clearly you could say, of course, I am Chroma. Yeah, the scholarship now, Kwabrani, we are now. You can't say, we hear Kofa, we hear bra. Kofa, Mami and Sambra, Fakaho as a dependent because so co country, yes, sponsor dependent, the cow one, and yes, Scholarship Secretariat, Juma. Say order dependent be kan ho na mmom wo a wo ko no koduru no vizo me hia me yere so omra mebo me na asefo no ma as part of the application process and the immigration law of a country now wo ko no and be allow Scholarship Secretariat has no business obo ni de ne say ye training say kosua de na fabra bebo ayen but this particular Scholarship Secretariat at the time na Akufo Addo e wo so okofa as abrante we ni betan what they were doing is say first of all yafa sa abusuafo ni nyina abo mo anu wi a jebi na yafa campaign say campaign nem process o visa mawo nti wo ha yafre nkofo bi vibe consult omo yes omo ye tam and I'm asking the Attorney General and Yoko to change that particular campaign because over millions of Ghana cedis and omo sack from the Scholarship Secretariat and the campaign no
but omo mo ye send the enyo mo
nti omo fa wa woko UK na person your priority visa we in fact wo pentam nti omo nye ntentam fast track na you charge 400 million per person. 400 million.
In process of documents.
40,000. Make no mistake, take it in count. That was what they were charging. The documents are here.
Just the normal process.
Yes, a walk-in priority TLS, the emergency way, no. You charge 400 million per head. Or yes, I need money, you know, we know the scholarship number one. Not the same way, no, as you have plane ticket for wo. We either one man or busian for a more condo. Na ya sese omu nyina gu play mu puwa na yodo moko UK. Na omuko do UK we are each of them be are entitled to allowance every year. Every month be are na etimi tue obi £10,000. That is you and the so mo enjoy mo ho. That is you and so enjoy. So you see say subjecting the whole essence of the Scholarship Secretariat into some kind of a idea say money making machine. And don't forget, and when I post to a social media, about 4 or 5 people sent me a private message, and they were telling me, "Sir, scholarship they bought the scholarship. Some paid 80,000, some paid 57,000. They bought it from the Scholarship Secretariat. And I'm saying, say, wow, we are going to near your ton scholarship, man, what evidence be. I think you should be able to come forward and provide evidence actually for necessary investigation because this particular issue cannot be brushed aside because I'm not say uko UK Ghana Scholarship Secretary and they capture over about $30 million.
The last time I checked was £32 million.
Top player, top player. scholarships because scholarship na say nko modern man for say the musican omo ba ya no be create a new model. New model no say omo ye the friend say omo ye short courses. Scholarship secretaries da Kwame Nkrumah dia scholarship secretaries da Kwame Nkrumah dia tena say yam fan training amount for in other areas no omo de omo ni atinti omo ba no create the first short courses. And the money na say going to main scholarship no they channel all into the short courses. 2 weeks.
That is now what you mean.
Yes.
You short course now.
Yes. And you make us say JB na kwaye 2 months you have 2 weeks course bra. Na ya je visa for 10 years amount na yaka. 10 years visa for 2 years you find say for 2 weeks project. Now course na wo kwaye no tia £4,000 per 2 weeks. Na wa ankasa na ya £2,000 for twa wanum for 2 weeks. We are top plane take it the amount. What's the amount? But now besides say 2 weeks course na nipa no kwaye no. Professor Jampo and other people at the University of Ghana can they run that leadership management course over her? What is so special about this 2 week special courses? And the company now money no sign that contract no UK now or provide this idea no. You need the contract be out. And do you know say in terms of your friend is saying cost of living allowances are you for a month for no. You have 51 million Ghana cedis, which is much bigger than Sika Wyoming MPP for the year campaign. Ghana hangina
51 million.
51 million Ghana cedis in cost of living allowances.
According to the documents I even have.
Plus
other pounds.
Plus akaka krebina £1 million.
It's about 988,000 pounds. Yeah.
And so Sika when you were supposed to go into the normal scholarship a month for yamfa anko and run short courses. And madam for na one mama bi. Mimi na one mama bi go 2 years. And Debbie, nipa no mo call you be no buy. Too short way because I haven't know to see secure visa because I don't know it's supposed to be 2 weeks visa. Na bia every time 3 weeks now ko 10-year visa why just so beba. So clearly no a chance scholarship ba ko bi wa men kan kire wo. I say we confirm that Portia Adum Donyina has been awarded financial scholarship by the Ghana Scholarship Secretariat for study BA in public health and community. I'm emphasizing because it's an undergrad program.
Yeah.
Obi okoye undergrad program no. The scholarship commences on February 2021 and will end because a yearly basis subject to renewal until it will end February 2022. The scholarship is annually renewable. So I just want to prove a point. Say 1 year doesn't mean 1 year because your friends say undergrad program here 4 years. The scholarship covers Portia Donyina and her dependent listed above, and it covers your friends a tuition fee of 15,100 pounds and living expenses of 12,180 pounds.
Your school fees yes.
Yes.
Now for
undergrad program no. It covers dependent. Your friends say Joseph Jominani Kunu Bema Katechi Odiachire Machomai on a kobo na hoba UK. Living expenses 7,000 Odiachire as Machomai no. Your money 7,000 pounds okodi.
Nti oyere no ekuta 12,000
pounds.
Ah, so no konkodi na ni kurusu kuta
7,000 pounds. Enyo no kwa neba nana ya inshira dwamena daughter. Ono so kura 6,000 pounds. Okagodi. Ena ono na mo another child, omo another ba. Ono so your friend Ewurama bena kwachewa dwamena daughter. Ono me who be da say Ghana native mo be scholarship na yasesa wo fiefo nyina ye tu obi aka mo nkwala mo enjoy we nyina chi ya sat up plane take it so you see I think say niama we koma airtime abufu and now I spoke to somebody in the US I must say school no threatened to send them home.
Just the US UK as I speak with you now there are some people ya pamo Muslim fees.
Yes.
Ah mo te hanu musisi ya.
Yes.
And they ye to your school fees am won. And my pressure about Muslim, the threatened demonstrations and what have you.
Yes.
And even the head count in Nankasa, the current registrar, the head count, most of them did not exist.
Yes.
About the scholarship no way, and on school no way, and on more chance say, or most type of so they now NT. Ghana Scholarship Secretariat entry and farmer made demonstration meanwhile they were not benefiting.
No.
About school that's
what they were doing. I know a lady Oko UK. man scholarship no we no auto she pay 50,000 to secure the scholarship. O we no say na me stipends o mo say kwasia o ya je visa no we am say ko UK nko ya adwuma nko pesika wasem. That is what she was told. And the entire we no dey running the course, not even a single stipend the man, but one crowd them say you just stipend man. And you see scholarship no am for them kroma ya adwuma o kroma omoje ya friend say ya omudi one crowd say scholarship emra wo ho no say wuntu kwan ko man no so you don't benefit because okoduru ho ansa. China awarded scholarships to a lot of people during the COVID time.
Yeah.
One koha ambaka say we can't pay you stipend because it is there because oba and they cover allow uti ukuma yemtia. But Ghana, they were paying this money to people living here. So I have a single message for the Attorney General and the other way. You see, they say one of the reasons why a man for deal like so to abandon say obi hu ye finance we yo is because Ghanaians wanted accountability. And these are some of the things. Now, Fifi Kwete can send me, and I agree perfectly with him, and you could see the pain within him. Some individuals see behind the scenes trying to cut corner. Oh, Madame Fournier, because about scholarship we are who win. Or every single prominent media person be okromo bia kwajibi. Nti obia kana no atom. Dodo na the so-called big platforms na omu nyina din wom. Omu nyina kwajibi. And who the kwa onka ho asem. And these are people who didn't even need it. Because some of the institutions are so big that they can give you scholarship. I'm not going there. But
now, Obi Deputy Director General, the National Service Authority.
Yes.
I no crown. Yes, over ghost names are hold.
Yes.
Over 80,000 ghost names are found in Sase.
Just
scholarship. So the eco school. The national organizer of the New Patriotic Party.
Yes.
And so Akwa J scholarship so the school.
Yes. A sitting minister and Dr. Okoboy at the time Koko GB as a minister. Clearly, it shows that you see the whole purpose and the essence of this particular scholarship is so dirty. So I am urging government to say, you see, Ghanaians will be asking, say, and then I had the 2 minimum, and then I would me all that they are asking is some of these things. Then we have to be very ruthless and radical because at the end of the day, say Ghana for intimate, say nipa way you prosecute nipa way you prosecuting Akufo na Akufo Addo. So no, Akufo na baba. So I think the government need to do things right and make sure say sa niema fi we ya. A man for tena kroma die away sika no me mpehwe de be pen say the fools who order say idiot who stole our money no your friends are prosecuted. That is all because nyansa ni bia no bo sakro no way. Nyansa ni bia no bo sakro no way. Ma ka che say de ya wo wia say nipa onim nyansa na o wiawo wia na o wia ni nyansa nka na o hu so o wiawo. We need to make sure say Ghana for before ne saa de no mokoto aba no menya so mfa so and enye say ye beche sika ma obi ye koto ka ma obi ye de ne say nipa no mo bo okro no make sure so be prosecute omo anything and say Attorney General press conference I am for na because people are not interested in those things. All that they want to see is prosecution.
Yeah.
So, and then it's a pre-bargaining aba man for kan hun say me. Don't forget the pre-bargaining act no somewhere 2022. Then they proposed that particular thing and slaughtered it into the law. And we are Attorney General now be fizeti on plea bargaining. Now when the book on some for Sikanamra now and then settle on Famba. What I said. So that particular thing now and Kasakrani idea basa a robbing credibility and integrity from government. So I'm saying say President Mahamadu there this time what me I find sika to pay some of these scholarships where it's settle within a short period. Much of the money has been paid, and Asafo is doing well just to make sure say these students don't come home. But you see, we cannot just let it stop here because same way is long overdue. I'm urging say every state resources where available be able to go after these people. I'm told BNI asasa nkrofo bi omunye opemu na ankasa not scholarship secretariat. All this out all this nonsense because documents are Google hey and the signatures was here. He's aware or a privy to all the award now causing on him. So I think say one particular thing this government can do a bit me away Ghana for heart and they say a man for no must be prosecuted, and if that is done, Ghana for will not complain because we cannot be having some of these things. And at the end of the day, nothing happens. Right. People are becoming increasingly frustrated. And we see or say the pressure is on Attorney General, and it is true. Because if you go to the media landscape, the very people who campaign for accountability now don't even know where we are going. I think that the government policy on this accountability project, you know, must be absolute, must be unwavering, it must be radical. Now you revolutionize it, your friends saying your public space. Now man for motiwa say menya kwenya say me be CEO, menya kwenya say be avenue amedi be ye. You cannot be taking some of these decisions and get away with it. No, right, it should never be done. Mate,
so meba menya Lucius Onomo, but there's one thing. We White Oak Limited. White Oak Limited. Also so tourism agency said almost travel and Tony Bia. Now one-way economy class tickets from Casablanca to Accra.
All this nonsense because documents are Google hey, Ninja and the signatures was here. He's aware or a privy to all the award now causing now own him. So I think say one particular thing this government can do a bit me away Ghana for heart and they say a man for no must be prosecuted, and if that is done, Ghana for will not complain because we cannot be having some of these things and at the end of the day nothing happens. Right. People are becoming increasingly frustrated and with TFF equators all kind of or say the pressure is on Attorney General, and it is true because if you go to the media landscape, the very people who campaign for accountability now don't even know where we are going. I think that the government policy on this accountability project, you know, must be absolute, must be unwavering, it must be radical. Right. Now you revolutionize it, your friends saying your public space. Now man for motiwa say menya kwenya say me be CEO, menya kwenya say be avenue amedi be ye. You cannot be taking some of these decisions and get away with it. No, right, it should never be done.
Mate, so meba menya Lucius Onomo, but there's one thing. We White Oak Limited. White Oak Limited. Also so tourism agency said almost travel and Tony Bia. Now one-way economy class tickets from Casablanca to Accra. And the man confirm you know, it costed 20. So we are going to find X right now. It will be after the pen in the paper. We are finding X right now. One-way economy class from Casablanca to Accra for two people. It costed 27,850. The same one-way economy class from for an infant from Casablanca to Accra, it costed 7,200. 7,200. Now, weigh the difference between the two. Emily now costed 62,900. Lucius, find X.
That's it. And Sammy, what in Sammy say now I say Abu Pisa.
But I mean, kind of for unfortunately, Facebook in the Honomo, we are not live on Facebook. Oh. But to me, I join here now, and on the normal television, I pay to me, Eddie Commoni. But Yanko,
one say in some way, no be missing, beneficiaries, you know, say only Ubi are on your Ghana. Now, only no share na se hu di nkomo na o ke kan se mbisi che no wo che no she ebia wanya scholarship na scholarship no no wo yere wo ma wa busuafo nyina scholarship secretariat no ame ma beska se be metoa o e wo ba bia wo sua de na de pa o and I believe say obia ne onye Ghana ni no ani beje ho pa say enka obeba be Ghana ni because na dwen be ne say ani o man no mu
head ye wuska
yes ye wuska because ye be mo scholarship se ko sua de na e be say a sponsor uni pay no na nankanso amo adu achi se be nyina be mra de a na che say o man no mu de you see but okay hu a onti ase de be mabosome nkono ba pa atenase na wadi san free ni masem wi minim principle a be use a betimi e de yes ade kro no o kan no nya na me pese medwan hu say eye part of the scholarship secretariat no say bebetimi we say Ivan can say o pese okotoa o spouse and say o abusuani bi relative bi wo outside that o sia de na o pese o kon ho dia why not you betima ma kwan
no it's not
your own mandate of the scholarship secretariat say bebetua sika edwa
say me te ha no mo say pa na me scholarship secretariat about me scholarship makoje scholarship na mako na msu ho me say me I want me say me my wife into mo ma me wife scholarship no so mra bi na wa ma scholarship na me kwako na me wife aba
I wife ya ma o yire no class scholarship ya ma scholarship dey different yeah as a dependent o di a na wa se so sa o yire no ma di a kire enti ba ku wom ne ma for class ne yire and then kunu 6 people and they were taking monthly your first stipend
bosu me bi ani asasa wo muska say aden ni kunu and the man so man moral support yeah scholarship secretariat the Ghana sika
o man mu de o
mu de
Jamie o man mu de pa o like